This time I'm gonna be installing a new Delta shower valve, and I'm removing this color Delta shower valve. I'm gonna have to do a transition from CPVC to copper, and those are my MCC cutters. They are really cool. I have them for a long time and they are really nice. So I'm gonna have to do a transition from CPVC to copper. Those are the transition. I use male fittings, and then I went to press, and then I left everything ready, let the glue set for about 2 hours before turning the water on. And because this Delta shower valve is not as deep as the Kohler, so I had to use some 45s to reconnect the line straight and everything. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.